Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Google Docs dark mode. Let's begin. So once you open up your web browser, you are going to go to the top here. I'm using Microsoft Edge at the moment. So you're going to select this little puzzle icon here, which says extensions, and go to the bottom where it says get extensions for Microsoft Edge. Afterwards, go to the search bar and then type in Dark Reader. Then hit enter. Then select the first option where it says Dark Reader and select Get. And it says here, add a dark reader to Microsoft Edge. So you're going to go to the section here where it says add extension. Then you have to wait a few seconds for it to install. Then once it's installed, go back to your document. And as you can see here, it has changed the document to black or dark mode. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.